Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about how to create a calculator in HTML code. As we know, a calculator is a tool that performs mathematical operation quickly and accurately. It is commonly used in various fields such as science, engineering, finance, accounting, and education. Here are some common uses of calculator and our daily life. We will solve with calculator basic arithmetic calculation, advanced calculation. Calculator perform advanced mathematical operation like square root, exponent, logarithm, trigonometric function, and statistical function. After financial calculation, can be used to calculate loan payment, mortgage payment, interest rate, and other financial calculation. Conversion: a calculator can convert between different units of measurement like length, weight, volume, and temperature. Graphing: some calculators have the ability to graph the function and equation. Programming: some advanced calculator allow you to create a store program to automate calculation. So there are different uses in our daily life of calculator, and we use calculator for the different purpose according to our situation. So in your screen you see this is the HTML code of calculator, how we create a calculator in HTML web page. So this is the code. First we write document HTML tag, then head, after that meta char set for different purpose. After that title, we give title calculator using HTML example, title clause, link, Google fonts, CSS property to create interactive calculator interface, style, HTML, height 100 VH, display flex, align item center, etc. After this, give a title, margin bottom 10 pixel, padding 5 pixel, font size 40 pixel, font white, bold, text align, center, color red, font family, cookies, cursor, input, type buttons, button types, width 60, height 60, float left, padding 0, margin 5 pixel, board sizing, border box, etc. and give background color, border, none, font size, etc. After that, input, calculator menu, background color, border, and display height, width, text align, background, button top color, white, etc. After style clause, head clause. After this, we write a program and body, give a title, align center. Example of using HTML, dev from name, calculator class, calculator, table border, tool and center. After that, table row, table data, input type, close table data, table row, and table data, another column here. So this is step-by-step program of the calculator. I save this is a save as HTML and you will see the magic. So stay with us. Call .html and save. Sorry, it has stream table tag. Sorry. This is a calculator loading. Just type 1 plus 6 and press the equal. You will see 7. So this is the designing on the front end of your screen, and behind there is a code. When I explain this step is of this code one by one, it will take 1 hour, 1.5 hours briefly. So this is summary. I will provide this description code. If you want, just write in comment section and contact with me. I will provide this code for you. If you like my channel, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss update, and give your suggestion in which part you're interested and you want to take a class on this tutorial or other tutorial. So never forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.